Guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new hair unboxing. This is one out of the 2 wigs I bought during the 11/11 sale. They actually both came in DHL packaging, so I'm not sure which is which. They look exactly the same. But I'm going to put which wig this is in the title and all that. We're going to go ahead and open this wig. I'm super excited to show you all. I've got some wigs I've been wanting to try for a minute and from brands you all have been asking me about. Once again, I bought both of these wigs with my own money, you all. This video is not sponsored. I bought both of these wigs during the 11/11 sale. But I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'm doing 2 separate videos, by the way. I'm just going to be wearing the same outfit because I'm doing this back to back. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so the wig I'm currently wearing is my One More Hair 40-inch wig. I love this wig. It's been doing me well for this month I've had it in and all that. But let's go ahead and open this wig. So, okay. So this one is from Ossilee. You all know I've actually reviewed them twice already. I tried their deep wave wig and loved it. That was like 34 inches. It was so thick. And I also tried their straight HD lace wig, and that lace was just fantastic, like crazy good. But this is Ossilee. This one was heavier than that package, but that's why I decided to open this one. But here's how their package comes: a 13x6, 250% density, 30-inch wig. That's right. So a lot of you all have been asking me to try their 613 wig, so I was like, And y'all, in the comment section, also tell me what color I should do. So let's go ahead and look at this wig. Y'all have been telling me to try pink for a minute, so I think that's what I'm going to do. But let me know which one you really think I should do. So this wig took a week and a half to come. With everyone ordering during the 11/11 sale, it makes sense that it took a little longer. But it came with a wig cap and it came with lashes. So that's nice, you know the vibes. But this is supposed to be 250% density, and I can tell by how heavy this is. It is actually that thick. This is a body wave 613 wig. I could tell because the other wig I have is 150% density, and that one was a lot lighter than this one. This has some weight to it. But let's get this sucker out. I'm excited. I got a 13x6 too, so we should see what that looks like. Okay, so here is the, oh my goodness. Y'all, Ossilee is really, Ossilee has been my favorite brand. If you watched my, best and worst vendors list of 2021, you all know Ossilee is it. Look at this. This is gorgeous, but let's start from the top to the bottom. So, looking at the lace, this is supposed to be a 13x6 wig. So you get a bunch of parting space in the middle. You do get the 6 inches in the middle. And I feel like it's wide enough to where you have enough to do a side part. If you just got a 13x4, I don't think so. This is a lot of space. See, you can do a side part with that. But it is you have maybe 1.5 inches over here to work with. So bam, bam. But you get a lot of space right there, so that's good. Y'all, let me know what color I should do for sure. Please. I think pink, but let me know. Here's the lace. It's a nice color. I feel like all 613 lace wigs always have really nice lace. None of them are going to look bad, but y'all, let's get into the actual, okay, hold on. So you have a comb here, comb here, comb here, comb here. The wig is nice and straight. Look at that. The wig is nice and stretchy. I actually have a large head, and all of Ossilee's wigs fit me well. The circumference of my head is about 22-ish inches. They all fit me no problem. But you have a nice amount of space here. This is a nicely constructed wig. But this hair is just giving. Let's actually get into this. This is a beautiful wig. I feel like I know how I am with color, and I don't think I'm gonna want to wear pink too long to where I'm should I dye it pink? because I don't want this wig to go to waste. I want to wear this wig for sure. Like, it looks so pretty. Like, look at that. It wasn't too expensive, especially with the 11/11 sale, but I don't think it's expensive at all. But this is giving, and it's so much room to do like a very long middle part. Like, you have a lot of room. You could do it. I love a long middle part. Like, some wigs you can just do it to like right here, but this is beautiful. Like, it's no kind of like, sometimes when you look at the bottom of the wig, like right here, you bend it and you see like a bunch of short hairs. It's no short hairs over here. This is gorgeous, and like, it's not shedding. Both wigs I've reviewed, both 613 wigs I reviewed, when I did this, it did shed some. But this one is not shedding. I told y'all, Ossilee is just it for me. I love Ossilee. Some people do say it's a little more expensive, but to me, this is some really good Aliexpress hair. And one of you actually told me that, like, your stylist said that this is like the best Aliexpress wig they ever had. And they had the straight Ossilee HD lace wig. But this is gorgeous. It's really thick. It's really 250% density. It's gorgeous. It's giving. It's everything. And I definitely I'm probably going to post this the same day I recorded it, because it's Sunday. And I know they still have like, they still have like their Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Probably post this immediately. But I love this wig. Okay. It's gorgeous. Let me know the color. I want a color I'm actually going to wear. Will I look cute with pink hair? So right now I have purple dye. I already did like a purple, but I have like lavender. I could do something like that. I have pink dye, a bunch of pink dyes. I was going to copy Young Miami's hair. I'll insert a picture when she had pink. I also have yellow dye. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but... And I have more ginger. But this is really cute. Like, it looks so glossy and beautiful. So much shine and luster. Like, this is the best. Just looking at it right now, I don't know if I'm impressed by like it being body wave or what. This is the best 613 wig I've experienced so far. I did really like that wig from HC Hair Factory or something, but this one is really nice too. Oh, last thing. I have to actually measure the wig. It does look long and all that, but let's actually measure it and see if it's actually true to length, but it seems like it. I was measuring. Most of these AliExpress companies measure from like the top. I'm going to measure from right here. Measuring from right here, so y'all see I'm holding the measuring tape from right there instead of going all the way up there. So that's the top of the wig. This is where I'm measuring from. It's 29 inches not stretched, but obviously you have to stretch it. And you do get a little past 30 actually, like y'all see. And you see where I'm holding it. Did not move my hand. It is definitely true to length. That is fantastic. I love, love, love this wig. We're going to play with the color a little bit. It's going to be a while till I wear this. So I'm definitely going to be watching the comments to see what color you all say I should dye it the most. But that is basically it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.